What if I told you the very thing that makes us human, our ability to dream, to create, to imagine, might soon be obsolete? Right now, as you watch this, AI is painting masterpieces, composing music, even writing entire novels, faster, cheaper, and more consistently than any human ever could. But here's the terrifying part. People are starting to prefer it. So the question is no longer if AI will replace human creativity, but when, and what happens to the rest of us when it does. Writers, artists, creators, watch this before it's too late. It started with a whisper, a few AI-generated poems, a strangely beautiful portrait conjured from code, a short story that made someone cry. Then it got louder. Entire blogs filled with articles that no human hand touched, songs released under human names until someone checked the metadata, paintings selling for thousands only to be traced back to a neural network. Now, the whisper has become a roar, and the question we once dismissed as sci-fi is banging on our doors with urgency. Are we witnessing the extinction of the human creator? The illusion of safety. For years, we believed creativity was the one thing machines couldn't touch. They can take factory jobs, we said, but not the arts, not the soul. We were wrong. AI isn't stumbling through stick figures or robotic rhymes anymore. It's producing viral songs, winning art competitions, ghostwriting bestsellers, and doing it in seconds. You think your talent is safe? Think again. The silent takeover. A publisher quietly fired half its writing team after discovering an AI model could write articles faster and cheaper. A filmmaker shelved 3 scriptwriters after using an AI to draft storyboards and plot outlines. A graphic design agency started delivering AI-generated concepts while billing clients full rates. No one noticed. This is not the future. This is now. The takeover isn't loud. There's no announcement, no AI waving a victory flag. It's subtle, quiet, clinical, and that's what makes it terrifying. What happens when audiences stop caring who made it? Let's get uncomfortable. You see a breathtaking digital painting online. It stirs something in you. You share it. You save it. Later, you find out it was generated by AI. Do you suddenly love it less? If your favorite YouTube narrator is revealed to be AI, will you unsubscribe, or will you shrug and keep watching? The painful truth? Most people don't care who made the content. They care about how fast it loads, how catchy it is, how it makes them feel. And if AI can deliver all of that, cheaper, faster, endlessly, what incentive is left to choose the human? The death of the struggle. Creativity has always been a battlefield. The late nights, the rejection, the rewrites, the aching self-doubt followed by bursts of inspiration. But what happens when struggle is no longer necessary? AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't feel fear. It doesn't suffer. It just creates. Some say that's efficient. Others call it soulless. Can something truly be called art if it was born without pain? Where do we go from here? This is the fork in the road. One path leads to a world where humans and machines collaborate, where AI is a muse, a tool, a canvas, not a competitor. The other, a world flooded with perfect, polished, but ultimately empty creations. A world where originality is algorithmic, where rebellion is programmable, where art becomes a product, not a passion. And the worst part, we may not even notice the difference. This isn't about technology, it's about identity. Because if we lose our place as storytellers, as painters of dreams, as composers of emotion, what's left of the human experience? When AI becomes the artist, what role is left for the rest of us? To consume, to applaud, to fade? Now, it's your turn to decide. Do you believe creativity belongs to humans alone? Should we resist this rise or embrace it as evolution? And in this new world of instant, infinite content, does being human still matter? This isn't just a debate, it's a warning, it's a reckoning. The machines are not coming, They're already here. What are you going to do about it?